gonna try some milling here. These are logs I cut down in a previous video. One of the storm blown over videos. Anyways, finally getting around to milling it. Gonna try the Alaskan mill again. I haven't had much luck with this thing, but with the new bar I thought we'll give her a shot again. And before I never used the ladder, I just used I think it's some 2x4s. So we're going to try the ladder. Didn't want to drill holes so in the ladder here, because I do still use this thing. So I just use ratchet straps, and it'll be a pain. I'll have to take the strap off as I get the saw to it, and then reattach it as I go past it. But anyways, we'll give it a shot. So here's the air filter on the chainsaw. This is after 3 cuts. I guess 33 feet of board length. So I put grease on the bottom. Oh, I just had a mozzie biting me. But yeah, completely full. I got grease all over me. Yeah, it's all like fine dust. Just gets everywhere.